My name is Ben Wilson, and I'm here today to make you all Gov 2.0 experts. Well, at least to the point where you can recognize a Gov 2.0 opportunity and know where to go for more info. My hope is to generate enough interest that you'll incorporate some aspects into your business plan and offerings. With all the hype, it's a great time to get involved. So what is Gov 2.0? Some think it's governments using social media. Others say it's the platform. Government should be enabling others so they can build applications and thus add value. So what is Gov 1.0? In the simplest form, a government determines the way in which a country, state, city, region, or village is run. Historically, government leaders gathered in their ivy towers making laws and policies with little public input. Add in technology to make it more efficient, and you've got Gov 1.0. Today's environment, however, is radically different. Changing demographics play a big part. Millennials are more mainstream. Having grown up with technology, they expect instant everything. They're always on, always connected, and have a different set of rules for engaging than my generation. Today's world is more complex and provides a new set of challenges. In the next 20 years, many countries will have more people retired than working. A recent global survey of over 2,000 companies shows productivity levels at around 34%. Our universities are preparing students for jobs that don't exist and using technologies that haven't been invented to solve problems they don't even know are problems yet. As consumers, millennials have been empowered to connect, collaborate, co-create, and control. It's in their DNA. They want to use these same set of tools when interacting with governments, using Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Flickr, RSS. The list goes on and on. The cloud is one of those disruptive technologies that promises to change the world forever. A single person can have access to the same computing power as the largest government. The cloud will provide better experiences as software learns about you and your preferences. As technology advances, devices will become smarter, making interactions more natural. We believe the focus of Government 2.0 should be less about definition and more about helping governments run given these new set of challenges and technologies. It's what's next for government. It's not if, but when governments will use these new technologies to meet citizens' needs. Our vision includes 4 pillars. Openness, which leads to better engagement that's needed for citizen-centric services in order to drive real transformation. Through a series of Ignite presentations, we will share our Gov 2.0 story using Microsoft experts to introduce each pillar and appropriate technologies, and then a partner will share their efforts and successes. It's fast-paced, and hopefully it's both fun and informative. As a technology partner, if you're not already using social media, you're falling behind. Mark Drapeau will kick off by sharing his thoughts about using social media in your business strategy. Mark is an absolute expert in this area, and we're happy to have him share his thoughts today. Openness. Weather is a great example of open data. Hurricane alerts, weather.com, evening news, surf alerts are all possible because of it. Mark Gaylor will talk about technologies to support openness and what Microsoft is doing in this support area. Mark is an absolute expert, and we're happy to have him with us. One of our great partners, Jim Keenan from IDV Solutions, will share what his company is doing in this effort and how things are driving forward. Jim is an absolute expert, and we're happy to have him. Engagement. Getting more people involved in running government is the goal. Dean Halstead will talk about the technologies to drive engagement. Dean is an absolute expert in this area. We're very happy to have him here with us. One of our partners, David Bankstrom from Engage Networks, will share what his company is doing in this area. David has been creating communities within government for a number of years and is an absolute expert, and we're very happy and pleased that he can join us today. Citizen-centric is all about making it easy to do business with government. Gordon McKenzie will share Microsoft technologies and his efforts in this area. Gordon's responsibilities include driving our Citizen Services Platform CSP effort, and along with Jordi Plano, who is one of our wonderful partners from Spain, he will share his company efforts and what they're doing to drive citizen-centric services in this area. Government transformation is the ultimate goal. Leveraging technology, openness, and community to radically change government. Who better than Kent Cunningham from Microsoft to tell us about the technologies used for transformation. Kent is an absolute expert in the area. We're very happy to have him with us. Benton Belcher from ISC Solutions will help share his company efforts and the way his company's been transforming government. Benton is a great resource to have to do this. We're happy to have him. Lastly, Rodrigo Becerra-Masuno will show us Microsoft's government team, how they're driving this effort using worldwide government camps. So, let's get going.